Hello, and welcome to a brief introductory quiz to the sectors of economy and levels of development. Prior to viewing this video, you should ensure that you have fully examined the two attached graphics over these sectors of the economy and levels of development. If you have yet to do so, please pause and do that now. Now that you have examined the graphics, please put them away and prepare for a brief series of questions. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question after it has been asked. Question number 1. This is Steve. Steve works as a fisherman. Every morning he wakes up and spends most of the day on the water hauling in fish. Which sector of the economy does Steve work in? A. Primary, B. Secondary, or C. Tertiary? The correct answer is A. Primary. This is because Steve works in the extraction of raw materials, fish, from his environment. Now, let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2. This is Mary. Mary works as a teacher. Her job is to teach 9th grade students about mathematics, using tools like calculators and protractors to do her job. What sector of the economy does Mary work in? A. Primary, B. Secondary, or C. Tertiary? The correct answer is C. Tertiary. This is because Mary works in the provision of a service, her teaching, through the use of manufactured materials like calculators and protractors. Now, let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3. This is Billy. Billy works in a factory. His job is to help produce tires for cars, using harvested rubber to complete his task. Which sector of the economy does Billy work in? A. Primary, B. Secondary, or C. Tertiary? The correct answer is B. Secondary. This is because Billy works in the manufacturing of a good, tires, through the use of raw materials like rubber. Now, let's move on to question number 4. Question number 4. This is the United States of America. The majority of its population works in the service industry, and it is classified as having a tertiary economy. Which level of economic development is the United States in? A. Less developed, or B. More developed? The correct answer is B, as the United States is a more developed country due to its economy being mostly in the tertiary sector. Now, let's move on to the final question, number 5. Question number 5. This is Vietnam. The majority of its population works in agriculture or in production, and is classified as having both a primary and a secondary economy. Which level of economic development is Vietnam in? A. Less developed, or B. More developed? The correct answer is A, as Vietnam is a less developed country due to its economy being mostly in the primary and secondary sectors. And that's it for our quiz. I hope that through these graphics and this quiz, you have learned something new about the sectors of the economy and the levels of development. Have a wonderful day.